Thank you for presenting your muscles. I see you were paying attention when I mentioned the sternocleidomastoid. Yes, it is very hard to spell. It's spelled phonetically though. Stern, O, Clyde, O, mastoid. So there's the mastoid process, and here's the clavicle. So there's the head going to the clavicle, and there's the head going to the sternum. So it sounds really scary, but
Sternal-head of sternocleidomastoid muscle. Sternal-head of sternocleidomastoid muscle.
and there's that pronunciation, but you don't have to pronounce it right for me. I'm going to stick with the head just because I have the head here. So here's the frontalis. Yes, it is easy. Did you guys like I gave you the frontal region on your lab exam? You're welcome for that. I always will give you one easy question. And you guys are bored with the occipitalis. Apparently, complete anatomy is too, because most of the muscles, I have a little animation here of what they do, but it decided not to do one for wrinkling the scalp. Lastly, thank you for picking the zygomaticus major, or the zygomaticus. I love the zygomaticus. And that was the minor I clicked on. I didn't have enough muscle here, so there's the major. There's the minor, and again, it's just going to be the zygomaticus muscle. It makes you smile. It's such a happy muscle. Hard muscle was the pectoralis minor. Yes, it is hiding underneath the pectoralis major. Bye-bye pectoralis major. So here is the pectoralis minor. It's also hiding under the deltoid there. And the platysma, that's so yeah, this is a little hiding muscle. And I think it's hard personally because a lot of students confuse it with the intercostals, which you guys actually liked. I believe you were saying the internal intercostal muscles. So that's the external. So if I hide this one, I'll have the internal intercostals there. So they're between the ribs and they're on the inside. So yes, our rectus abdominis and our 8-pack, which I definitely do not have, is easy. I don't think anyone's gotten that one wrong. And you find the erector spinae boring. It's important though. So if we hide these, and let's actually go out on the muscular layers. There's the erector spinae group. And it's actually a group of muscles. So all of these muscles are the erector spinae group. It's just impossible to tell them apart on the cadaver, and the models are really vague too. So thank you for your presentation. I enjoyed watching your video. Have a good weekend.